Have you ever wondered why you crave junk food when you're stressed? Or why butterflies in your stomach feel so real? What if we told you your gut and brain are secret besties, chatting all day long? Yes, you heard that right. Hello and welcome back to Health Guru Hacks. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been buzzing in the wellness world, the gut-brain connection and its role in weight loss. Now, we know what you're thinking, gut and brain. Aren't those two totally different parts of the body? Well, buckle up because we're about to blow your mind with some fascinating science that'll change the way you think about your body and your weight loss journey. The dynamic duo, your gut and brain. Let's start by introducing our main characters, the gut and the brain. Now, when we say gut, we are not just talking about your stomach. We mean your entire digestive system from your mouth all the way down to, well, you know where. And your brain? Well, that's the command center up in your noggin. For the longest time, we thought these two were like distant cousins who only met at family reunions. But guess what? They're more like twins who finish each other's sentences. They're constantly chatting, sending messages back and forth through a complex network of nerves, hormones, and bacteria. It's like they have their own private WhatsApp group. This constant communication is what we call the gut-brain axis. It's not just about telling you when you're hungry or full. Oh no, it goes way deeper than that. This connection influences your mood, your stress levels, your immune system, and yes, even your weight. Mind-blowing, right? The gut, your second brain. Now let's zoom in on the gut for a moment. Did you know that your gut has its own nervous system? Yep, it's called the enteric nervous system, and it's so complex that scientists often call it the second brain. It's got over 100 million nerve cells. That's more than in your spinal cord. But wait, there's more. Your gut is also home to trillions of tiny microorganisms, mostly bacteria, that make up what we call the gut microbiome. These little guys aren't just freeloaders. They're hard at work helping you digest food, producing vitamins, and even influencing your immune system. Here's where it gets really interesting. These gut bacteria can actually influence your brain. They produce neurotransmitters, you know, those chemical messengers that affect your mood and behavior. In fact, about 95% of your body's serotonin, the feel-good chemical, is produced in your gut. No wonder we get hangry when we're hungry. The brain, more than just a pretty thinker. Now let's head north to the brain. We all know the brain is responsible for our thoughts, emotions, and actions. But when it comes to weight loss, the brain is like the conductor of a very complex orchestra. Your brain is constantly processing signals from your body, including your gut. It's keeping tabs on your energy levels, your hunger and fullness cues, and even your cravings. Ever wondered why you suddenly have an urge for chocolate when you're stressed? That's your brain and gut having a little chat. The hypothalamus, a small but mighty region in your brain, plays a crucial role in regulating your appetite and metabolism. It receives signals from your gut about your nutritional status and decides whether you need to eat more or burn some energy. But here's the kicker. Stress, lack of sleep, and certain foods can mess with this delicate balance. When you're stressed, your brain releases cortisol, the stress hormone, which can increase your appetite and make you crave high-calorie comfort foods. It's like your brain is trying to help you survive a stressful situation by stocking up on energy. The problem is, in our modern world, that stress is often chronic, and those comfort foods are all too easily available. The gut-brain connection, a two-way street. So we've got the gut sending signals to the brain and the brain sending signals back to the gut. It's a two-way street and the traffic is always heavy. This constant back and forth affects everything from your appetite to your metabolism. Let's say you eat a big meal. Your gut sends signals to your brain saying, hey, we're full down here. Your brain then processes this information and helps you feel satisfied. It might even give you a little boost of those feel-good chemicals as a reward. On the flip side, when you're stressed, your brain sends signals to your gut that can slow down digestion. Ever felt butterflies in your stomach when you're nervous? This can lead to digestive issues and even changes in your gut bacteria, which in turn can affect your mood and energy levels. It's a vicious cycle. The microbiome, your weight loss ally. Now, let's talk about those trillions of tiny tenants in your gut, your microbiome. These little guys play a bigger role in your weight than you might think. Research has shown that people with obesity tend to have different types and amounts of gut bacteria compared to people at a healthy weight. Some bacteria are better at extracting energy from food, which means you might be getting more calories from your food than you realize. But don't worry, it's not all bad news. Certain types of bacteria can actually help with weight loss. They can help you feel full, reduce inflammation, and even boost your metabolism. The key is to cultivate a diverse and healthy microbiome. So how do you do that? Well, it's all about what you feed them. Probiotics, foods or supplements containing beneficial bacteria, and prebiotics, foods that feed your good bacteria, can help. Think yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut for probiotics, and fruits, vegetables, and whole grains for prebiotics. It's like throwing a party for your gut bacteria, and everyone's invited. Stress, sleep, and your waistline. Remember how we talked about stress affecting your gut? Well, it goes both ways. Your gut health can also affect how you handle stress. When your gut is unhappy, it can send signals to your brain that increase anxiety and stress. And let's not forget about sleep. Poor sleep can mess with your gut bacteria, which in turn can affect your appetite and metabolism. It's like a domino effect. One bad night's sleep can throw off your whole system. The good news is that taking care of your gut can help you manage stress and sleep better. And when you're less stressed and well rested, you're more likely to make healthier food choices and have the energy to exercise. It's all connected. Practical tips for harnessing the gut-brain connection. So how can you use all this information to help with your weight loss journey? Here are a few practical tips. Eat a diverse diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. This will help feed your good gut bacteria and keep your microbiome diverse. Include fermented foods in your diet. Things like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut can introduce beneficial bacteria to your gut. Manage your stress. Try meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Remember, a calm mind means a happy gut. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours a night. To keep your gut-brain connection running smoothly, stay hydrated. Water is essential for good digestion and helps feed your gut bacteria. Move your body. Exercise isn't just good for burning calories. It can also improve your gut health and reduce stress. Limit processed foods and artificial sweeteners. These can negatively affect your gut bacteria and throw off your gut-brain communication. The future of weight loss, a gut feeling. As we wrap up our journey through the fascinating world of the gut-brain connection, let's take a moment to think about what this means for the future of weight loss. The more we understand about the gut-brain axis, the more we realize that weight loss isn't just about calories in and calories out. It's about creating an environment in your body where your gut and brain are working together harmoniously. In the future, we might see personalized diet plans based on an individual's gut bacteria profile, or stress management techniques that target the gut-brain connection. The possibilities are exciting, but for now, remember this: every time you eat a healthy meal, manage your stress, or get a good night's sleep, you're not just doing something good for your waistline, you're nurturing the connection between your gut and your brain, creating a healthier, happier you from the inside out. Well, that's all for today, so the next time you get a gut feeling about something, remember, it might just be your second brain talking. Take care of your gut, and it'll take care of you. Here's to happy guts and healthy brains, everyone.